Look at this delicious liver, guys. Beef liver, Jamaican style. If you want to see how I achieve this, just keep on watching. Guys, I thought my camera was recording, but I guess not. But the liver I already cleaned, cut in small pieces, and I start adding my seasoning. I'll run through all the seasoning that I already add to the liver, and I also add my browning. So I'm just going to season this together. I love wearing a gloves for this one because not everyone can tolerate the texture. So I wear my gloves while preparing the liver. But I'm going to prep my fresh seasoning. I have bell pepper, onion, garlic, thyme, and hot pepper. And I'm just going to cut this according to my liking in like chunky size. And we add them to the liver and allow that to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Then we start the cooking process. So just continue watching, guys. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot for all the support. Thanks for all the lovely comments. For my new supporters, welcome and board. To make it official, please just tap the subscribe button, put your notification bell on so you won't miss future uploads. So continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Here's a quick run through of all the seasoning used. I use black pepper, adobo, all-purpose seasoning, complete season, Jamaican browning. I also use some paprika and chili, salt, and as you see, I use my fresh seasoning. So those are all the seasoning I use. And here we're heading over to our frying pan. We're going to add some oil and sugar. We're going to caramelize that, so we get a nicer color on our liver. So we're going to caramelize this, then we add the seasoning, liver and all. Liver doesn't take long to cook, so we don't want it to be too rubbery, okay? So we're going to give this a quick stir and cover this to cook for maybe like 10 minutes. Then we can add some ketchup, a little tomato paste, adjust taste if needed. And I personally love to add some warm water to my seasoning bowl just to give me some extra gravy. Okay, so just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So here is our liver ready to be served. I'm going to serve this with some boiled dumpling and boiled green banana. And this was breakfast. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. And guys, please like, share, comment, And if you haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting for? Please just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.